Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable Photos Tags notifications in X. If you want to stay updated and notified whenever your photos are tagged, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll take you through this step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app launches, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, locate and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Find and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll be able to manage the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, enable Photos Tags notifications by either toggling the switch or selecting the appropriate option. This will ensure that you receive notifications whenever your photos are tagged. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled Photos Tags notifications in X, enabling you to stay informed about the tags associated with your photos. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enriched by the notifications of photo tags that await you.